today I am doing my skincare routine. I'm super excited because I get a lot of questions on what I used and what I've been doing over the years and how I got rid of my acne. I had a video telling you guys how I got rid of it, but I decided to update it. So this is where we have this video today. I have a few spots on my face, as you're going to see in the video. You might see, you might not. But they're going to be gone in no time with everything that I used today. And so I might do an update or check me out on Instagram so you can see what my skin is doing. And go ahead and keep watching this video. Okay, so starting out, I start with using Nair on my eyebrows. I'm just doing an outline of the actual bone of my eyebrows and how I like them to be shaped. And so what the Nair does is just clean up any excess hair that I don't want around my eyebrows. I usually pay to get them done, but if I'm doing this at home and I have a lot of time that day, I'll go ahead and clean them up myself instead of paying somebody to actually do my eyebrows for me. And I've been doing this for about 2 years now. It's never failed me. The only thing is, you really have to know how to shape your eyebrows because you will jack your eyebrows up. You know what I mean? And so, I use a little eyebrow, brush that I've been using for the last couple of months to do this process. You can use a Q-tip. I've seen other people use other types of brushes as well. Now I'm just shaving my face. I'm taking some shaving cream. I think it's the Walmart brand, lavender scented, if I'm not mistaken. And just shaving all the hair off my face. Shaving gives me just that smooth texture that I like. And it gets any dead or excess skin off. And then also if you have any small hairs on your face, it gets it off as well. And I'll have to shave my unibrow because I do have a unibrow, guys. So the Nair has been sitting on my face for about 5 to 6 minutes. I try not to keep it on too long because I do not want to burn my skin. So now I'm wiping it off. So now I'm just going back in with my scissors and cleaning up my brows. I think the brows is the largest part of this process. The largest part of my routine of just getting my face clean and well washed and exfoliated and just really just feeling good weekly and making sure that my skin is healthy as well. So now I am just going back with a small razor and some shaving cream, and I'm going to get any excess hair that was not removed from the Nair. Now the whole eyebrow process is almost complete. I think I have a few little tweaks to do to my brows in this video. Now I'm using the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser to go ahead and cleanse my face. And then next you will see me using my exfoliating rag to get deep into my pores and to clear off any dead skin around my lips and on my face. I've been using the exfoliating rag. I think I got it from Target, and CeraVe's line for the last couple of years. I live by it. I swear by it. And I love the CeraVe products. And I love using a rag that takes off the dead skin because you have so much dead skin per day, especially if you work out and you're active and you sweat. You want to make sure that you are really cleaning your skin daily so that you don't have that buildup, which produces acne. So now I'm taking a soy face cleanser by Fresh. Y'all, this stuff is magic. I love to use it. I love to use it as an everyday cleanser. I love to use it as a just to sit on my face after I do this process, or once a day. It makes your skin so soft. One of my friends gave it to me for a gift, and I have to get more of it. Like, I'm almost out of it, so I have to get more before I run out. So now I'm taking a hot rag that I put in the microwave for about 30 seconds and just allowing the heat to seep into my skin. During the last process with the soy cleanser, I was taking my nails and really just scrubbing my pores with my nails and getting any blackheads or pimples or anything that was on my face off my face. Now I'm just once again messing with these brows, combing them out and cutting them again. Like I said before, the brow is the longest process of me doing my weekly facial routine, or doing this routine. Alright, so here we are. We're almost done with this process. Y'all, I'm still fooling with these dang on brows. I told y'all the brows are the longest part of this entire process. And they gotta be right. They have to be decent without me having to fill them in. And so I want to make sure they're right. Now I'm taking the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Like I said before, I live by this product. It gets your skin moisturized, and I don't have dry patches on my skin. And now I'm just taking a little bit of coconut oil and putting it on my face as well. And that is all, folks. Thank you so much for just watching this, and I can't wait to make more videos for you guys in 2020. Let's clear up our skin and do it the right way. Have a great day.